Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can invite new members and coworkers to your channels on Slack. So let's get started. Now the method I'm about to teach you guys can be applied on both. On Slack you access through a web browser, as I'm doing right now, or through the Slack application you download on your computer or access via a mobile device. So it works always the same way. All you need to do, guys, is head over to a workspace, for example, select your workspace here, and below you will have a list of channels of that workspace. So let me double click with my left mouse on that channel here to get a better insight. And here to the right, you will be given the opportunity to add or to invite coworkers and members, not only to your workspace, but also to that specific channel. So you can do that by clicking on add coworkers here. And according to this information here, this channel is for everything related to that channel. Hold meetings, share docs, and make decisions together with your team. So simply click on add coworkers, and after that enter the email address or the username of the coworker or member you would like to invite, and the given person will receive an invitation, usually via email, to join your Slack workspace and specifically that channel to participate in it. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.